Doon ka na yung scam officials na yatag na floor.
So we would like to thank our major sponsor for Trophies, more pure water and a repelling station. Owned and managed by Sami Andrew B. Pedroso Aguilar. Thank you very much sponsoring this league. Thank you very much. Back to the court. We have now Jaime. Jaime now penetrate. Still in dribbling. Driving past to the outside.
Why?
Another three. That is a back-to-back. Back-to-back three set by Marco.
Marco, gua! Gua, Marco! Rap, rap!
And then, Rosario. Pass break to Jaime. Jaime now the go. We take pass to. And we have again. So.
Marco, gua kanay!
Really a big mark.
Marco, gua!
Yeah. Giving Russia. Kabahuli Karisma from the outside. Take the shoot. We have the turnaround. Okay. Wow. And that is a nice move by Giving Russia. It's counted foul by number 9.
Shot try!
Foul number 9, Madam Sila, that is your...
Right shot!
That is your first personal foul. First team foul.
So, you have a chance to make a 3-point play.
Shot right!
Wala. And the rebound by Lorido. We have Castromayor. Castromayor now on the go. Great pass to Osorio. Osorio from the outside. Castromayor. Get the screen. Castromayor now.
Take the shoot.
Take the shoot. Bang. That is the point guard. De La Cruz. De La Gracia. Miss it. With the rebound.
Raf! Bantayas, Marco! Rafi!
Pass under the basket. Block by Divina Gracia. Nice reject made by Divina Gracia. And now it is Karisma on the dribble. Karisma now.
Si Marco!
Looking for Mr. Sherman.
Bantayas, Marco!
Jaime now. Jaime still dribbling and there is a call for an offensive foul coming from number 11.
Offensive foul committed by number 11, Lorido.
Raf! Bantayas, Marco! Pareho kong taas!
Time remaining is 5 minutes and 50 seconds.
Si Marco, bantayo Raf! Ate, timog na. Rafi, si Marco, bantayo pirme! Baldaha kung gusto mo!
The foul is there.
Foul number 25, Castromayor, that is your
Rafi, bantayo si Marco ha!
second team.
Baldaha kung pwede
5
ah!
minutes and 42 seconds.
Bantayo si Marco! Si Marco! Rafi! Raf!
Yeah, De La Cruz. De La Cruz now. Still in dribbling, looking for number 9. De La Cruz.
Ban!
And Karisma on the go. Jaime. Jaime on the run. And there is a whistle.
Yes!
5 minutes and 4 seconds.
It is a lost control there by Jaime.
Marco, ginaulat ka sa Manila! Gwa! Gwa! Rap! Si Marco! Yarigla ko magkakpak! Defense! Defense! Defense!
Foul call. That is a foul coming from number 11.
Foul number 11, Ibiha. That is your first personal foul, first team foul.
Here from the outside, Castro Mayor. Time to shoot! Wow! That is a very simple attack. Very simple move. And here from the outside. The foul is called from number 14.
Foul number 14.
Shootaray!
Substitution.
Sila yung foul ref, si 14. Foul number 14, Osorio. That is your first personal foul, 13 foul.
Yes!
First attempt, basket.
Second, the Pinagracia. Yes. The lead is down by 5. No basket, Karisma. Karisma in the goal. 3 and 1. 3 and 1. So, ladies and gentlemen, now the lead is down by 3. The first now. Now, Villa Cruz. 10 to shoot. Villa Cruz attempt. Wala. Rebound by the Pinagracia. The Pinagracia now control. To the Pinagracia.
Tres!
To Karisma. So, we have now Caballo, Ibiha. Ibiha 10 to shoot. Caballo open now for 3. Ladies and gentlemen, 30 all. Yan na, nagsimula ng ingay. Nagkataman. Wala close now. Marco, jump shot for 3. Wala. And Marco again, rolled by Marco, save. And now Marco penetrate. Get in, layup. Wala. Follow up. But there's a foul. Very 2 minutes.
So, sa Luwak, we are inviting everybody to come tonight. We do have benefit dance. A fundraising activity of Barangay officials and SK officials. So, pinasalamat natin ang SK.
I mean now. Yes, scoreboard ka dyan, hindi tawag. Yes, scoreboard na kabinet. Para magkita ka tao. Thank you. De La Cruz on the running shot. Wala. So you now have it and no. The foul is called. Number 22.
Foul number 22, Karisma. That is your first personal foul. Second personal foul and third team foul. Wait na. Isa guys, isa. First personal foul, third team foul.
Yun na pa, ugtas mo dyan si Iskeva. Kapo na, ugtas mo na. Oh. Correct me if I'm wrong. Thank you. Okay, Marco. 35-34 now. The lead is down by 1. The Taman is stopped by 1. And we have now Divina Gracia, wala. And Charisma on the go. So Divina Gracia but lost control.
Nalos na control gimana sige lang.
We have now De La Cruz. De La Cruz in the center. Looking for Jaime. Jaime now, penetrate. Intercept na naman by Caballo. 3-2. And no. Traveling violation. It is 1 minute and 2 seconds in the period of the second quarter. We have Jaime now from the outside. Jaime penetrate, getting jump shot, bingo! That is Jaime.
45 seconds.
Matas Marco.
40 seconds.
45 30 That is count. Foul by number 11.
Foul number 11, Ibiha. That is your third personal foul.
Ay, my goodness.
Warning for penalty, Gataga.
29 seconds remaining. 29 seconds remaining. No basket. 25, 4 seconds difference in the shot clock. 30. Caballo. Caballo. Not Caballo. When 5. End of the second quarter.